How to create project template on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a project template on ClickUp. So let's get started. First of all, open your ClickUp and over here at the left side you'll be able to see the spaces. So you can just click on the respective space for which you wish to create the template. As you can see, I have here a marketing project space, so I'm going to click on it, and just click on these three dots next to the name, and over here search for the option templates. After clicking on that, click on save as template, and this project would be saved as template in your ClickUp. The other way to create a project template is by clicking on create space. So just click on it, and after that over here you can just write down name and description and click on use templates. So here when you click on use templates, you can just click on any or select any template which you need. And there's also another way in order to create project template, that is that click on your workspace name. If you are the owner of workspace, you'll be able to do this. So here click on apps and then click on template center. So just click on template center, and once you click on template center you'll be redirected to another page, that is your template center page. So only if you're the admin and the owner of space you can do it. Now you can see the workspace templates are the templates that I have created. So I've created 3, and ClickUp templates are the templates created by ClickUp. So you can use any of these templates over here. So there are various templates, you can just give it a look yourself. There are marketing templates, other like related to 12-week plan and 5 whys, and and other is project management templates. You can just go here and give a look. And then there are AI enhanced project, there are operational projects templates, and there are engineering and product templates. There are HR and recruiting templates, personal use. So I'm just going to give you an overview of all. So creative and design, sales and CRM, IT, and also here are finance and accounting and professional services, also support and community, and also features. So you can just go there and have a look here yourself and select the template which you need. You can also filter the templates by selecting the template type. So you can either have a space template, so just click on space over here and you'll be able to see all the templates of spaces, so you can just filter them. And then you can even click on use case and select that which template you want. You can either want community, creative, you can just go here and give it a look in order for better navigation through the template list. So for example, if I click on finance and accountings, and all the finance and accountings templates would be here in front of me. If I click on IT, they will be displayed in front of me. So you can just go here and give a look. And over here are tags. You can write down specific tags in order to find any template. And you can just write down the tags over here, and also in addition to that, you can check who created the template. So if the template was created by you, all your templates would be displayed. If you have friends over here, then you can select their templates as well. Let's see template types in detail. So now here you can just select any of the template type, which can be space, folder, list, task, anything you want. So you can just select over here and all of the respective templates would be displayed in front of you. So you can just come here and have a look how many template types are here. And you can also select complexity, whether you want a beginner level template, so just click on it and all of the beginner level templates will be displayed in front of you. You can either select intermediate or advanced, whichever you want. So you can just select any template according to your own will from here. It's quite flexible and has a wide range of templates. So once you select a template you wish to work on, so just click on the template. For example, I'm going to click on this agency management template. So after clicking on that, you'll be able to see that who created this template. This was created by ClickUp, so it's written ClickUp. And over here you'll be able to see the date and also the users, like how many people used it. You can also see template description over here, and you can see that what this template includes. So here you can see that it includes status groups. So here you can check the invoice, overdue, invoice sent, closed, and etc. All of these status groups. You can also see that it contains custom fields, also the ClickUp apps, views, automations, and you can just give it a look over here. So if you wish to exclude any, you can exclude it further. So just click on use template over here. So here you can write down the name of the space. You can give it any name. You can either import everything that a template contains, or you can even customize. So you can exclude which you don't need. You don't want any unnecessary item to be in your project. You can either import as it is the project dates, or you can customize your project dates and remap them. And also you can skip weekends because you don't want the ClickUp to add weekends, and you can give it a check over here, and after that just click on use template. And you can see that over here it is written agency management. So this is a template which I have processed for creation. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see that over here it is applied and the status is pending. So after a while the status would be success and you'll be notified for that. So that was basically how you can create project templates on ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials in future.